due diligence, the sort of pre-due diligence of what the job is. Things like this are going to come in handy. And what these are designed to do is give you the comfort that your client has the competence and the ability to do this job. Simply because they think they want to do it, simply because their eyes are all like bubbly with money, that, oh, wow, I just got $1 million job. Of course, I've never done anything more than $50,000 before, but I'll do it and I'll get this to factory. So you think about this, the questionnaire. Now, what we advise clients is that you take this questionnaire when they do the application, and you go through it with them. Either you let them fill it out, or you go through it with them on the phone. So like item number 1 talks about what kind of prior lawsuits have you had. Now that's something you may even want to know on a regular factoring deal. But in the construction world, I want to know how many lawsuits have this people had. Everybody's entitled to a few, that's okay. But if these people have one a year, one after the other, and what were the lawsuits for? Because they didn't pay the subs, because they got thrown off the job for defective work, or because they delayed the job? This is due diligence that you want to know, because it's going to tell you whether or not your client's competent to handle this job. And this is the difference between construction factoring and everything else. You have to worry that your client knows what they're doing. You really have to worry. Have you ever been terminated for cause? Item number 2. What does that mean? You know, I either delayed it, I couldn't fix it, I didn't pay my subs, liens went on the job. You know, they'll tell you. They'll usually tell you at the beginning, because they want to be, they'll come up with 20 different excuses for it. Oh, this was wrongful, this and that. But I want to know that. I want to know who I'm getting into with it. Has anyone ever been charged you with liquidated damages before? That is something that is because your client delayed a past job. In the contract or on these public jobs, they usually said, we're going to charge you $1,000 a day for every day that you're late. And again, you have factored. Let's say your client has gone through 12 progress payments, 12 applications, paid them great, did a great job. You're waiting for your last payment. You're waiting for, the last payment of the 12, not even the teacher, okay? And all of a sudden, the public entity wakes up and says, well, you guy did a good job, but, he caused 50 days of delay. So instead of paying you that last application, we're going to take off $1,000 a day, $50,000, and they will be right. So you want to know, as your client hasn't had this problem in the past. Because if they've had it in the past, there's a good chance it's going to happen in the future, unless they can explain to you why did it happen and what did you do to prevent it.